Good morning, students. I am your English teacher of class 6 from middle section. Today you need a reader, Swiss Family Robinson, page numbers 12 up to 20, chapter 3 and 4, lesson 3 and 4, resources required, reader and CD, Oxford Dictionary and notebook. Today's objectives are listening, reading, using of words into sentences, learning new vocabulary words, learn pronunciation and fluency of words. In brainstorming section, you have to recall the memory about the basic theme, about the main events. A quick recap about the chapter number 3. The Robinson family settles on the island and saves the few possessions they had saved from the ship. The pastor gives lesson to his sons on how to treat animals, look for food, and how to make use of things they find. Now, students, you have to think critically about who were the Robinson family, how they settled on the island, how they saved their possessions, and what lessons were given by the pastor to his sons. Read chapter number 3, pages up to 15. Number 1. Read the text on your own and then listen to the chapters from CDs provided with the novel to improve pronunciation and fluency. This is your oral work. Number 2. Find out what an agouti is. Page number 15. You have to find out the meaning. Number 3. Use the following words in sentences: shellfish, hunting, nature. A quick recap about chapter number 4. The next day they go to look for the missing crew members and explore the island, finding different things for their use. Read chapter number 4, pages 16 up to 20. Number 1. Read the text on your own and then listen to the chapters from the CDs provided with the novel to improve pronunciation and fluency. Again, this is your oral work. Number 2. Use the following words in sentences: utensils, flamingos, blame. Note: written homework. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.